Alright guys, let me show you super quick and easy PC optimization tips you can do right now. These are perfect if you want better performance, less stuttering and higher FPS. Go down to the Windows search bar and so that I can show you and type in this thing. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on that and this window will shows up. Select here adjust for best performance and click apply and then OK. Now go back to the search bar and type in defragment and optimize drivers. Here down here you will see these defragment and optimize drivers. Open it, select each drive one by one and click optimize. So here. After that, search for disk cleanup. After that, as I said, search for disk cleanup. Open it. This thing will open up. Select everything, click OK and let it clean. So select all here and then clean up system files. OK, and it will clean up. Now let's reduce startup apps. So we will go here, right click, task manager, go to the startup tab, startup apps, scroll down to the game overlay. Here you will disable everything you don't need. This helps your PCB boost faster and run smoother. If you use Discord, so open Discord right here, open Discord settings like so, scroll down to game overlay, so game overlay, and turn it off if you have it on. So turn Steam overlay off. So where it is. So put it on off, close that. Now, if you use Steam, go to open settings. So Steam settings, you go to in-game and enable the Steam overlay while in-game, put in off. Like that. Now go to display settings. So display settings, go to advanced, scroll down a little bit, advanced display, and choose the refresh rate, the highest refresh rate available. Now Windows gaming settings, so type in game mode settings. Turn game mode on if it's off. So here we have graphic settings also. So we can. So here we go to advanced graphic settings and hardware accelerate GPU scheduling needs to be on. If you notice stutters or issues, try turning this off and test again. Now we go to background apps. So type in background. Put all background apps, turn them off. Now go back to search bar and type in notification and actions. Choose that, turn notification off to avoid interruptions, so off like that. So now if you have NVIDIA, right click your desktop and open up your NVIDIA control panel. So now go to NVIDIA control panel. This one, open up. Now go to the manage 3D settings and set it to let the 3D application decide. So if you have changed a lot of settings before, click here to restore. This will restart all of the values for NVIDIA Global Settings tab and then confirm with yes. And that's it. These tweaks take only a few minutes but can make a big difference. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.